Hey, fam, what's going on? What's happening? What's happening? Sorry, some messages are coming through. It's marvelous Monday, magnificent Monday, manifest Monday. And while I'm over here manifesting new business, new clients, new customers, new body goals, new accountability partners, I'm also being intentional and working on or working towards those goals, right? So when we are planning for our week, planning for the goals that we set out to, planning for the body goals, the meal goals, whatever goals it is that you're setting, right? Be focused on your target. Be focused on, the outcome that you want to see, right? I focus on the outcome. I understand that there's going to be so many tests. I understand there's going to be so many trials. I understand there's going to be so many roadblocks and distractions. But I focus on what's important now. That's the win formula. What's important now? There's always going to be things that are going to come up. There's always going to be somebody in your life that think their emergency is your emergency. But how do you now exist in a world that basically feels like it's not functional without you, right? You What are the things that you have to do? Maybe you have to wake up earlier than your household. Maybe you have to create a day out of the week just for you. Maybe you need to come together with everybody around you and have that conversation and figure out what exactly does that look like, because right now you're going on a new path. You're renewing your mind. You're re introducing things in your environment that was not there. So if there are more than one people around you that are involved in your growth and development, what are some of the things that you want to include? You want to include everybody. I couldn't go on this journey that I'm on now without the unity of my family, without the agreement of everybody who would be impacted, right? I started this health and wellness journey a couple years ago because of a trauma. My health, it all went through a whole health trauma. I went through a series of really breaking down in order to build back up. And because I went through that, because I've experienced that, because I was the inside of what that looked like, and I got to experience a glimpse of the outcome of that direction, I quickly activated um, I quickly activated um, source of action towards getting better, towards being mindfulness in my mind, being more physically active, recognizing, listening to my body, understanding where, what it's saying to me, what I need to pay attention to, and give to it. Then, where am I in my spiritual journey, right? Am I connected? Am I growing? Am I feeling stuck? Am I feeling lost? Am I feeling alone? Right? What are the things do I need to focus on? And these are the questions that I would ask myself, right? And these are the exercise that I would do to make sure that I'm coming up, right, with the answers that I'm looking for, that it's concluding to that. And there are times that I had to reach out and get accountability from others. There are times that I had to reach out and get mentorship and coaches on board to keep me in alignment. And one of the things that I find that is useful for my journey as I am, as I'm mastering the physical self, is get other people involved, right? Hence the reason why the creation of these programs that I have here running on this platform. And by the way, today is the 15th, so that means it's the first day of our 14-day fit, and we want you guys to really participate and get in. It's just accountability. We have an accountability group here on Instagram and on Facebook. I know some of you guys say you don't have Facebook, so for those of you who don't have Facebook, then you can join us here on Instagram. Today is Mindful Monday. We're just really talking about the things that we are, have gratitude for. What keeps us motivated and keeps us pushing. So I want you to really be, included into that. It's starting today, 14 days in, going in. We just completed 14 days prior. We started from the 1st to the 14th. The results are amazing. You see the body contrast and transformation and definition and everything coming out. So 14 days alone with me, then you'll start seeing some results. And that should be good to boost your confidence. I'm loving the way I look. I love to look at myself in the mirror. I love the confidence it gives me. I love the boost. I just enjoy looking at the outcome of what I've been working on for so long. And it's not just physical, guys. It's all about, again, mind, body, spirit, but it's also about what are you eating? What are your practices in terms of your nutritional intake? Right, we have amazing supplements. We have spirulina, which is great, which is one of the things that I use, that I stick to on my iron, protein, and muscle building journey. We have multi liquid vitamins, which is really good because liquid vitamins is way better. It absorbs in your body 98% more than the capsules would. And the capsules, you're not really getting all of what you need and the sources into your body. So therefore, it's an entire waste. So why not try liquid? Why not try our liquid? The link is in my bio. You can get any of the products that you see me use, the equipment, the waist trainers, the booty bands, whatever. You can get it. Link in my bio. No, link is not in my bio. Well, link is in my bio for the products, for the multi liquid vitamins, for our CBD products, for our weight loss products, for our all natural products. Our products are all natural. We have women supplements that helps with your hormones, your hair growth, facial hair, helps with your complexion, helps with your menstrual cycles. It helps with really regulating your body and helping, those of you who are going through hot flashes and things like that. So we have a rare of product supplements and just natural ingredients that can help you, and as you transition into your natural and holistic journey, your health and wellness journey, or you're looking to lose or gain, right? But if you're looking for more of like equipment, assistive gears, and things like that, um, smiledynasty.com is where you would go to definitely do that. You would go to smiledynasty.com to go and also register to get into the 14-day fit. That's starting today. You would also go to smiledynasty.com to enter into our Facebook group if that's something that you desire. But once you register, once you purchase your detox C for the 14 weeks, or you get your month supply for the 30-day, that's happening in April 1st. So get your products now so that they can be on the way, so that you can get a jump start and prepare yourself to know what it is that you're looking for, what it is that will be expected for you or of you coming your April 1st commitment to the 30-day transformation, the 30-day new you, right? So you want to order those. But once you order those products, right, then with the kit, it gives you access into our groups, right? If you're into our 14-day group, then you can, and I'm thinking right now I have everybody in the same group, but I'm thinking for those of you who join actually for the 14-day fit, I'm thinking to put you guys into another group, because again, I want to separate the thing. I don't want you to have equal access to what the 30-day plan, the 30-day group has. And as I'm developing and building the program around it, I want you guys to be separated. So at least if you, when you do graduate and you choose to transition, then it will be a kind of a different experience for you, right? And you can, again, it triggers your motivation, because keeping motivation in this journey is one of the challenging things that you may find. It's so easy to not get up, even though you wake up and not feel like working out. You do not feel like, you know, doing the things that you need to do. You may have a craving and you're going to answer to that craving. You really have to develop some form of discipline and a community. So the fact that you're able to come into this community, come as you are, grow with us, develop with us, and have your input. Share what you're eating, share what you're having for the day, share your challenges, and then we can help and support you. Share your success so that we can. Uncle's calling, so we can really understand more of more of who you are and where you're going. It's cool if you come in here and you actually follow the program, setting your goals, checking your goals, and really getting your customized workout or your customized plan, and really asking all the right questions and really engaging. I find that those who actually engage in the chats, engage with all the others, and follow through by posting your before and after, posting your day to day routines and things like that, whether it's eating, whether it's the food that you prepared, whether it's the products that you're taking, whether it's a workout that you did, then post something each and every day so that it keeps us encouraged. I find when you actually do the things, when you follow the core commitments, when you follow the plan, when you follow one course until successful, you see more success that way, right? You get more encouraged, and the results, like, it just becomes so amazing. People around you start noticing, people around you are commenting. You're not really focusing on the process and the journey so much because you're enjoying it, and the impact is way much more. So whatever you invest yourself in moving forward, right, make sure you are getting the best out of it possible, whether it's the products and the kits that you purchase upon signing up, or it's the detox kit that you purchase upon signing up, or it's just you coming into the program, or you just saying, hey, I'm a part of this, I want to be a part of this. Let's keep each other accountable, let's keep each other in accountability with what is happening. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. Marvelous Monday. I'm loving you, loving my hair, you loving her. Listen, I'm saying, ooh, I just love it. I do. Yes. Okay. And then, of course, I'm here doing, my little routine here. And I said, let me get on. I do have waist trainers on and available again at smiledynasty.com, smiledynasty.com, smiledynasty.com. And listen, I would really love for you to join in on this program. The 14-day fit is a self-efficient program. You got to be self-motivated, okay, self-determined, right? You got to be committed and determined to come in and literally just, be a part of the activities that's going on online. If you want a one-on-one Zoom workout thing going, then let's go. If that will keep you accountable, whatever means necessary, I am here to help you. I'm here to help facilitate you through that journey, right? I'm your online, I'm your online health profession,